Hello composers, Mike here, and in this video you will learn the 3 most powerful chords in music and how to use them to your advantage as a music composer. Now let's learn about a concept I call the 3 strong chords. This is very important because these chords are by far the most commonly used chords in all music. They are the 1, the 4 and the 5, meaning the 1st, 4th and 5th diatonic chord of the scale you use in your music composition. In music theory, these scale degrees are named the tonic, the subdominant and the dominant. They have a very powerful harmonic relationship between each other and the scale, which is why they have so much traction. Let's have a look at the diatonic chord patterns for the major scale and the relative minor scale type. If you check the chord types on the 1, 4 and 5 on these scales, you see that the major scale has only major chords on the 1, 4 and 5, where the minor scale has only minor chords on the 1, 4 and 5. Basically, these 3 strong chords form the essence and foundation of the mood of the scale. That is in fact the main reason why a song in a minor key sounds emotional and sad, and a song in a major key sounds upbeat and uplifting. There is a myth that you have to use many different chords to write emotional and impactful music that inspires people. But let me just say that this myth is false. I have a mantra I teach and it goes like this. How you play the music is more powerful than what notes you play. Rhythmically, lyrically, expression, dynamics, accents, tone color and so on. You can use chord voicings, alterations, extensions, all while still basing your entire chord progression on these 3 strong chords. Because even if you only use the 3 strong chords in your entire chord progression, you still have unlimited power and flexibility in how you play those chords. So let me give you a practical example of this. Let's say you have a song in A major, then the 3 strong chords will be A major, D major and E major. Well, let's say you use some suspended variation like this and inversions, and you can create something like this. Using those 3 strong chords and variations of them using inversions and suspended versions. Now here's a bonus tip for you. You can start by using the 3 strong chords of the scale you use in triad form as the main building blocks. Then you can spice up the chord progression by altering or extending these 3 strong chords. You can alter the triads into suspended fourths or suspended seconds, which adds a lot of emotion and a longing feeling to resolve. You can also extend the chords beyond triads, meaning using more than 3 notes. The most common extended chord is the 7th chord, which adds a 4th note to the chord. Simply add a note from within the scale, a third above the perfect 5th. Here is your action for this lesson. Practice playing and creating a chord progression using only the 3 strong chords. And I recommend starting by only using the standard triad chords because you want to focus on the how to make the chord progression sound interesting. Then you can start experimenting with adding suspended chords into the progression and even extended chords like 7ths. So have fun creating and playing chord progressions on the 3 strong chords.